as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. Interrupt programming is a request to the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service issuing new flash flood warnings for southwestern Collin County, northern Dallas County, southeastern Denton County, Rockwall County, and northwestern Tarrant County until midnight. Complex of thunderstorms continues to develop across the area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are forecast. Flash flooding is either ongoing or imminent. Flash flood warning due to strong thunderstorms, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as poorly drained low-lying areas. Again, the National Weather Service has a flash flood warning out for southwestern Collin, northern Dallas, southeastern Denton, Rockwall County, and northeastern Tarrant County until midnight tonight. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.